Want a lush, thriving garden this spring? Start planting in February. Most gardeners wait too long, but if you're in Zone 10, February is actually the perfect time to get ahead. The weather is just right, and planting now means you'll have a strong, healthy garden before the heat of summer kicks in. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to plant this month, from veggies to herbs to flowers, so you can have an amazing harvest. Let's get started. Zone 10 has a warm, mild climate, which means you don't have to deal with harsh frosts like other zones do. That's a big advantage. February is one of the best months to plant because it gives your plants a long growing season before summer's extreme heat. But many gardeners make the mistake of waiting too long. If you wait until March or April, your plants might struggle with high temperatures. So, planting in February gives them a head start. Alright, now let's get into the best vegetables you should plant this month. Best vegetables to plant in February. First up, let's talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes love warm weather, but if you start them now, they'll have plenty of time to grow strong before the hot summer months arrive. Go for heat-tolerant varieties like Roma or cherry tomatoes. They handle the warmth better and produce plenty of fruit. Make sure to plant them in full sun because tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Water them regularly and keep the soil evenly moist to prevent cracking. If the soil dries out too much and then suddenly gets a lot of water, the tomatoes can split, so be consistent with watering. Next, peppers. Peppers, whether sweet or spicy, grow really well in Zone 10. They love the warmth and will thrive as long as they get enough sunlight. Use a balanced fertilizer to keep them healthy and producing lots of peppers. If you have trouble with pests like aphids, try planting basil nearby. It's a natural way to keep bugs away. Peppers also do well in containers, so if you're short on space, you can still grow them on a patio or balcony. Lettuce and leafy greens. If you love fresh salads, now's the perfect time to plant lettuce, spinach, and kale. These leafy greens grow fast and do well when temperatures drop at night. The trick to keeping them from bolting, which means they grow flowers and turn bitter, is to give them some shade during the hottest part of the day. If you're planting in a garden bed, try growing them near taller plants for natural shade or use a shade cloth when needed. Carrots and root veggies. Carrots, radishes, and beets are perfect for February planting. They do best in well-draining, loose soil. If the soil is too compact, the roots might not grow straight, so make sure to break up the soil before planting. Don't overwater them too much. Moisture can cause root rot, and nobody wants mushy carrots. A good rule is to keep the soil damp, but not soaking wet. Beans. Green beans and pole beans love warm temperatures and grow quickly. If you give them a trellis or some kind of support to climb, they'll grow even better and take up less space in your garden. Beans also help improve soil health by adding nitrogen, which benefits other plants nearby. Keep an eye on them once they start producing because they grow fast, and picking them often will keep the plant producing more pods. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another great choice for February planting. They need something to climb, like a trellis or stake, to keep the vines off the ground and make harvesting easier. Cucumbers love compost-rich soil and need consistent watering. If they don't get enough water, they can turn bitter, so keep the soil evenly moist. Zucchini and squash. If you have space, zucchini and squash are must-grow vegetables. They produce a lot and are super easy to care for. One thing to watch out for is powdery mildew, a common fungal disease. The best way to prevent it is to water at the base of the plant and avoid getting the leaves wet. Also, make sure the plants have good airflow by giving them plenty of space to spread out. Best herbs to plant in February. Herbs are some of the easiest plants to grow, and they make your food taste fresh and delicious. If you want to start planting herbs this February, here are some of the best ones to grow. Basil. Basil loves warm weather and grows well in pots or directly in the garden. If you want a steady supply of fresh leaves, make sure to pinch off any flowers as soon as they appear. This keeps the plant focused on growing more leaves instead of making seeds. Cilantro. Cilantro can be tricky, especially in warm areas, because it bolts quickly in the heat. But if you plant it in a spot with some afternoon shade, it will last longer before going to seed. Fresh cilantro is perfect for adding flavor to tacos, soups, and salsas. Thyme and oregano. These two herbs are great for container gardening. They don't like too much water, so make sure the soil drains well. If you overwater them, the roots can rot. But if you give them the right conditions, they'll grow beautifully and add amazing flavor to your cooking. Mint. Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow, but it spreads fast, almost too fast. If you don't want it to take over your garden, plant it in a pot. That way you can enjoy fresh mint for tea, desserts, and refreshing drinks without worrying about it growing out of control. Rosemary and lavender. Both of these herbs love warm, sunny weather and require very little maintenance. Once they're established, they don't need much water. Plus, they smell incredible and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. Now that we've covered herbs, let's add some color to your garden with flowers. Best flowers for February planting. Flowers don't just add color to your garden, they also bring life, attracting bees, butterflies, and other helpful pollinators. If you're looking to plant flowers this February, here are some of the best choices to get your garden blooming beautifully. Marigolds. Marigolds are a must-have. These bright, cheerful flowers do more than just look good. They actually help keep pests away from your vegetable garden, making them a great companion for tomatoes, peppers, and other plants. They grow easily from seed and thrive in full sun, so just plant them in well-draining soil and watch them flourish. Zinnia. Zinnias are one of the easiest flowers to grow, and they absolutely love warm weather. Once they start blooming, they keep going all season long. Whether you plant them in garden beds or containers, they'll reward you with vibrant colors and plenty of flowers. Plus, butterflies can't resist them. For best results, plant them in a sunny spot and keep the soil slightly moist. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are the ultimate statement flower. If you plant them now, they'll be tall and stunning by summer. They need plenty of sunlight and space to grow, so pick a spot where they can spread out. Whether you grow the classic giant sunflowers or smaller varieties, they'll bring beauty to your garden and attract birds as well. Petunias and pansies. Want instant color? Petunias and pansies are perfect. They're easy to grow, work well in both flower beds and containers, and don't require much maintenance. Pansies can handle cooler temperatures, making them a great choice for early spring. Petunias, on the other hand, love the sun and will keep blooming with regular watering. Milkweed. If you want to support butterflies, especially monarchs, milkweed is a must. Monarch caterpillars feed on milkweed, making it essential for their survival. Plus, it's a great way to bring more pollinators into your garden. Helpful tips for a thriving garden: water early in the morning to prevent evaporation. Remove faded flowers to encourage more blooms. Choose well-draining soil to keep roots healthy. Soil preparation. If you want strong, healthy plants, you need to start with good soil. Think of soil like the foundation of a house. If it's weak, your plants won't grow well. The best way to improve your soil is by adding compost. Compost is full of nutrients and helps the soil hold moisture, so your plants don't dry out too quickly. Spread a layer of compost over your garden beds and mix it into the soil. This will give your plants the best start and keep them growing strong. Watering schedule. Watering your plants the right way is just as important as feeding them. The best time to water is early in the morning. This gives your plants plenty of moisture to get through the day, especially when the sun gets hot. Watering in the evening might seem like a good idea, but it can actually lead to problems. When leaves and soil stay wet overnight, it creates the perfect conditions for mold and fungal diseases. So, stick to morning watering for healthy, happy plants. Pest prevention. No one likes dealing with pests, but there are natural ways to keep them away without using harmful chemicals. Neem oil is a great option. It's safe for plants, pets, and people, but keeps bugs away. Another trick is companion planting. Some plants naturally keep pests away, so growing them together can protect your garden. For example, marigolds are known for driving bugs off. Plant them around your vegetables, and they'll act like a natural pest barrier. Fertilizing guide. Plants need food, but too much can do more harm than good. Instead of adding a lot of fertilizer all at once, use an organic, slow-release fertilizer. This type of fertilizer feeds your plants gradually, giving them what they need over time. Over-fertilizing can burn plant roots and cause weak growth, so be sure to follow the instructions on the label. Wrapping it up, now you know exactly what to plant in February for a thriving garden. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, getting started now will give you the best results. What are you most excited to plant this month? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my next video on growing tomatoes successfully. Happy gardening!